Hi everybody, today we're going to look at the Sacker 3-in-1 compact vacuum cleaner. It doesn't only suck, it blows. A while back Sacker sent us a handheld chainsaw that we used and did a review on, and that went so well they sent us one of these to see if we could do a review on that and see how it worked out. Pretty ingenious for a little tiny thing. We'll have to see how well it works, but we'll open it up and see what we get in the box. We got an instruction manual. We got a handy dandy little bag to put all our little attachments in, which I'll just go ahead and put off to the side here like this. We have a little blowing tube. It won't only just vacuum, it also will inflate inflatables or any type of thing like that, and will deflate them for you. Here you can see we've got a little brush. We have another longer tube, and the longer tube has a little brush on the end so that you can blow out your keyboards. We have a bigger tube. This one is when you connect to it so that you can suck the air out of the inflatables to deflate them quicker so that you don't have to worry about it being that long. Now you have a flat suction tube. You have the little flat brush for vacuuming up your carpeting in your car. You have a USB charging cord. This is a stainless steel filter that you can put in there, and this thing you can actually blow out after you're done using it, and you can wash it and leave it to dry. And this is the vacuum cleaner. Kind of small, little, kind of doesn't look like it's much, but if you turn, let's see what we can do for getting it to go. So it's got two speeds. It's got one speed, the second speed for extra suction. You can see that when you take this apart, it comes with a little regular filter inside. We can go ahead and try this thing out a little bit. I'll get a little bit longer attachment for it. Okay, we moved to the back of our car. We've been camp hosting now for a few days, and we've been cleaning campsites, so we got a little bit of stuff in the back of the car. We'll just see how it works picking up some of the debris. I first started it on low, and then I went up to the high level, and it obviously did a really good job. We'll take the thing out. We can dump this right outside because it's you can use the thing that blows on the opposite side, so you can blow your filter right out after each time you use it. Okay, our car's a little bit messed up from the dog shedding while we're out here at camp and not being able to bathe her as much. So we'll try this. This is on low. Okay. We're going to try this flat attachment and put this on there and see how it does on this hard rug. That's on low. It actually blows pretty good. I'm going to try this, see how the blower works on just trying to blow some of this carpet off. Now this is a really hard thing to clean anyway, any which way you try to do it. That's low. There you have it. I wish we had an inflatable that we could blow up for you, but we don't have anything here to do that, to show how it works. My opinion of the thing is that I think that it'll work fantastic for like inside, to keep inside your car or inside the motorhome or RV, so that you can get into those little tight areas. It'll work fantastic for little jobs, and to keep your computer cleaned up really nice. I think that'll work also. So it actually blows a lot more than I thought it was going to. So there you have it. That's kind of our quick look at the Saker 3-in-1 handheld vacuum cleaner and inflator. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps. Share this video out, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye. Wanted to show you that the whole entire vacuum and all the attachment fit in the little bag that they send with you.